Hello students, today I am going to discuss Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Okay, so from the following data, calculate Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Here is the question, and this are x values and these are y values. So I have written here the form how to write. So what I am doing, students, actually this is the formula for Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation, and this is for actual mean. What is actual mean? I will tell you first. Okay, when I calculate this x bar, what is x bar? How to calculate, students? This is x. When I add this 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, it is nothing but 35, which is 35. So here I will put sum of capital Y x by capital N. So N is the number of observations, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7. So 35 divided by 7 is equal to what? 5. So I got 5 here. Again for y values, these are the y values, right? These are y values I have written here. So for y values, 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 14 plus 18, it is what? 70. 70. So this 70 I will write y bar is equal to sum of y by n. So 70 divided by number of observations. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So divided by 7 is equal to what? 70 divided by 7 is 10. So these are the whole number, means 10 is a whole number, 5 is a whole number. That means we have to use this formula. Suppose I got some value 5.1 or 5.2 in points, here or in both, then I will use some other formula which I will be discussing in the other lecture. Okay, now I am discussing about actual mean. This one, this is for this the formula is this one: r is equal to summation of dx dy by square root of summation of dx into summation of dy. So now what is dx? Dx I will calculate like this: dx is equal to x minus x bar. X bar I got 5. So here in place of dx it is x minus x bar. Okay, and what is dy? Dy is equal to y minus y bar. So here I will write y minus y bar. Okay, now for x minus x bar is 5 I told. That means 2 minus 5 is equal to what? Minus 3. Again 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. Then 6 minus 5 is 1. Then 7 minus 5 is 2. Then 8 minus 5 is 3. When I add this 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. That means when I add this summation, sum of dx is equal to what? When I add this I am getting answer as 0. Okay, then dx square, that means 3 minus 3 square is 9. Okay, I am writing here 9. Then minus 2 square is 4. Minus 1 square is 1. Then 0. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 2. 3 square is 9. So 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus I wrote this 2 2s are 4, right? So I have to write here 4 plus 9 is equal to what? When I add this I will get sum of dx square is equal to what? 9. Sorry, 28. 28. I am writing here 28. Are you able to see here? Dx square, sum of dx square is equal to 28. Then again dy. How to calculate? Y minus y bar. Y bar is what, students? I got it as 10. So 4 minus 10 is what? Minus 6. Then 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Then 8 minus 10 is minus 2. Then 9 minus 10 is minus 1. 10 minus 10 is 0. 14 minus 10 is 4. 18 minus 10 is 8. When I add all this, 8 plus 4, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 6, I will get the answer as sum of dy is equal to what? 0. When I add this, I will get 0. Then dy square. dy square means minus 6 square is 36. Minus 3 square is 9. Minus 2 square is 4. Minus 1 square is 1. Then 0. 4 4s are 16. 8 8s are 64. So when I add all this, I will get sum of dy square is equal to 130. When I add all this, I will get 130. Then dx dy. Where is dx, students? This is dx. And where is dy? This is dy. Then minus 3 into minus 6 is equal to 18. Okay. Then minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 6. Then minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 2. That means I am multiplying dx with dy. Are you understanding? I am multiplying dx with dy. I am getting like this. So 0. Then 0 into minus 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Then 2 into 4 is 2 4s are 8. And 3 into 8 is 3 8s are 24. And I will write summation of dx dy is equal to, when I add all this, I will get 58. I am writing here 58. In big numbers I am writing for this summation of dx dy. Then students, what I am doing, in place of this formula summation of dx dy, I got it as what? 58. This 58 I will write here. Then divided by square root of summation of dx is equal to what? Sum of dx, I got it as sum of dx square, students. This formula is sum of dx square, sum of dx dy square. So sum of dx square, I got it as, what is this? Just see once. It is 28. So here I will put 28 into sum of dy square. Where is dy square? I got it as 130. So 130. So here 58 divided by 28 into 130 is 3640. Then 58 divided by 3640, square root of 3640 is 60.33, which is equal to 0.96. That means therefore it is perfect or high degree correlation. Okay, you can write therefore it is high degree correlation, because 0.96 r is equal to 0.96 is very near to 1. So that's why we are saying high degree correlation. Hope you understand the problem, this example. Thank you for listening to my lecture. Do like, share and subscribe, students.